Hey everybody, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter, and I work with Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com. Now, 2 weeks ago, I hopefully brought gold to your attention with a video that I did stating that I believed the pullbacks in gold were buyable. Hopefully you took advantage of the pullbacks in gold, because today we ended up getting a nice breakout here in gold and some of the gold miners. Now, how did I know this was going to happen? I don't have a magic 8 ball and my crystal ball is in the repair shop, but I'll show you what I was looking at here on gold, and then ideally you can take this tactic and implement it the next time you're looking at a chart that is trending up. And so what we see here on GLD is we see progressively higher lows. Here at the beginning of August, we had a pullback just above that 50-day moving average. And then we had another pullback right here just under the 8-day exponential period moving average. And then what do we have? We have a low here, and then we have a higher low. Following that, we had another pullback under the 8-day. It in fact printed another daily higher low. So we have 3 higher lows in a row. Just the other day, we have another higher low. So this low over here, right here on this red candle, that is 228.26. And then here on this day, on September the 3rd, we have a pullback and the low is 228.52. So the buyers actually had to reach up a little higher to get the stock or the asset that they're trying to buy. And so the buyers didn't let the stock break down. They didn't let it come down, down to the 50-day moving average. They were too aggressive. They wanted to buy it. You can follow the money. The money was coming in and supporting this at progressively higher and higher levels from the beginning of August up until now. And then we have a nice base of consolidation where the asset really isn't going anywhere. It's just consolidating. And every time it dips down, those dips are being bought. So this is a trick and a tactic that I use all the time when I'm looking for something that might be breaking out soon, or feels like, there's something going on with it. There's something bubbling underneath where there's some hidden strength that maybe you're not hearing about in the news or anything like that. So ideally, you can use this tactic and then implement it to position yourself so when something does break out, you're adding to that position, you're not starting a position, and that'll lower your cost basis. So that's just one of many things that we're looking at tonight over at stockmarketmentor.com. I'd love to show you my complete list. We're looking at some gold miners, some tech stocks, and much more. Take a trial. I think Dan Fitzpatrick is doing a $7 deal right now where you can take a trial of Stock Market Mentor for like $7 for 30 days. Best deal in town. I hope to see you on the other side. We'll catch you next time.